Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code deal or discount code in FanDuel. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've compiled a list here inside my notes of how to enter a promo code inside FanDuel. So this works for both website and the app. So now the first thing you want to do is log in or create an account to FanDuel either on the website or app. And then from there, go to on the website, click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner and select promos or promotional codes. If you're using the mobile app, tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines, or a profile icon, and find the promos or promotional codes option. And then from there, type in your promo code into the designated field and apply it. And then you want to verify, so make sure the promo code has been applied to your account or bet. You might see a confirmation message or update balance reflecting the promo. And then from there, place a bet. So complete any necessary requirements relating to the promo, such as placing a qualifying bet. And if you encounter any issues, check FanDuel's help section or contact their customer support for assistance.